Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to be talking about the matte phone case for iPhone 13, 12, 11, 14 Pro Max Mini Luxury Soft Silicone Shockproof Case for iPhone XXS Max XR 15 7 8 Plus SE. This phone case is not just your average phone accessory, it's a must-have item for anyone who wants to protect their phone in style. Made with high-quality luxury ultra-thin matte transparent silicone, this shock-proof phone case is designed to keep your phone safe from dirt, scratches, dings, and shock. Whether you have an iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, Pro Max, Mini, XS, XR, XS Max, X, 7, 8 Plus, or SE, this phone case is the perfect fit for you. But it's not just about protection, it's also about style. The fashionable phone back cover design adds a touch of elegance to your phone, making it the envy of all your friends. And the best part? You get all of this top-quality protection and style at an incredibly low price. When you purchase this phone case, you can rest assured that you're getting a product that is made with the highest quality silicone. And if you are not satisfied, our customer service team is ready to quickly solve any problem and provide you with a positive attitude and timely warm replies. So, why wait? Upgrade your phone's protection and style with the matte phone case for iPhone 13, 12, 11, 14 Pro Max Mini Luxury Soft Silicone Shockproof Case for iPhone XXS Max XR 15 7 8 Plus SE. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to leave us a 5-star review if you love it.